So this is a machine ZHONGKE ZK-760 as you can see here. And this part will be paper placing part where we put every board here. This space we can adjust according to the length of the paper. High speed separation and conveyor of paper board. Let's see how it works. So the sucker will suck the paper to make it go smoothly to the folding part. This is our new type folding device, high-speed conveyor in stable condition. So two sides will be folding firstly. This machine no need to change the mode, so it will be save a lot time to make the box. Then the last move will be forming. As you can see here, the paper goes smoothly to the folding device and to the forming part, and to make the box finish. So this will be finished box. This one is, as you can see, it's very easy to operate, and inside it didn't have the glue.